Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Nissan Armada. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps as well as front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side, inside leather interior. Second and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's the 60-40 split on the rear seat, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.